Zapply T1 is a supplement sold on Zapply.nl, and it is marketed as a formula developed for optimal male performance. According to the website, it combines 14 different supplements into one simple blend. They say it includes 14 scientifically proven ingredients in one formula, supports energy metabolism and vitality, and contributes to normal testosterone levels. The formula contains ingredients like zinc, vitamin D3, magnesium, and other vitamins, minerals, and natural extracts. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied, which is something many supplement brands use to build trust. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the website itself and some positive signs. The domain was created on 2022-07-15. For a supplement website, that is actually a good sign because it shows the brand has been around for a few years and is not something that appeared overnight. Scam supplement websites usually disappear quickly, so having solid time online adds some credibility. On Trustpilot, Zapply has a 4.3 rating, which is considered very good for a supplement brand. What's also good is that they clearly show their Trustpilot rating on the official website instead of hiding it. When we read through the reviews, we see a mix of positive and negative experiences, which is more realistic than only seeing perfect 5-star comments. Some users mentioned delivery issues. For example, one customer said it had been 3 weeks since placing and paying for the order, and after 2 failed delivery attempts, they still had not received the product. They mentioned that customer service was prompt and supportive, but without the product in hand, it felt frustrating. That shows that while shipping problems can happen, the company does respond. On the positive side, many customers say they noticed real improvements. One user said after purchasing TestoCharge, they had much more drive and energy and were sleeping much better. Another customer mentioned their package went missing, but when they contacted Zapply, the company quickly sent a substitute package. They praised the fast reaction and great service and even said it was their second purchase because it really works for them. There are also reviews where Royal Mail failed to deliver the order, but Zapply resent a replacement quickly, even for a 6-month bundle. Customers described the support team as top-notch and rated them 10 out of 10. Others said they noticed differences in energy within a week, improved sleep, and better strength during exercise after a few weeks. Some users did mention that communications were sometimes in Dutch, which could be confusing for English-only customers, but overall they still described the service as good. So, based on the available information, Zapply T1 does not show the typical signs of a scam website. It has been online since 2022, has a visible Trustpilot presence with thousands of reviews, offers a money-back guarantee, and appears to have responsive customer service. However, like any supplement, results are not guaranteed. Some people feel benefits in energy and performance, while others may not notice much difference. Shipping delays and courier issues also seem to be a common complaint in some reviews. At the end of the day, Zapply T1 looks like a legitimate supplement brand rather than a scam, but that does not automatically mean it will work for everyone. Supplements affect each person differently, and marketing claims should always be taken with realistic expectations. If you are considering trying it, it is always smart to speak with a healthcare professional first, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Zapply T1 and what your experience was. Your feedback could help others.